Hello everyone, I'm Linthoi away, but you can call me Lin. I'm from Manipur, India. I'm a little bit nervous because this is my first time listening to my own voice. I am so aware of Yoko. This is how I like to start my day. Step 1, a quick grocery run. My vegetables, it's like freshly plucked from a garden. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯡꯉꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯇꯥꯡꯃꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯗꯣꯏꯒ ꯇꯜꯂꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯃꯦꯇꯣꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ 3.50 euros per kilo which means 350 rupees. ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯥꯏꯔꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯟꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯁꯔꯚꯤꯁꯅꯤꯀꯣ which you hardly see in India. ꯃꯌꯥꯝ shopping ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯦ. Let's go back home. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯁꯦ walking distanceꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯔꯀꯦꯠꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ and ngasi ay cycle thawroroige illaga oina chatlage maramdi pot khatang yame. Back in the kitchen, let's prepare dinner together. Ngasi menu di fried rice, veggies and proteins packed salad and hot chicken wings. Aduga loinana I'm watching the Miss Universe India finals and cheering for our homegirl Nirupama. There are lots of choppings needs to be done. Let's start with bell pepper. Mathangdana carrots, dagi kobi, broccoli pan dap challe. Ma'am, veggies mixed orge ko. Have overnight soaked mung beans. We have pre-cooked chickpeas. To pan di kitang shalaga hapchan jare ko. And maning the Miss Universe India ki top 20 selection kana tawi ko. And yay, Aga made it up to top 20. And we all know that she got the title of 4th runners-up. And we are really proud of you, girl. Okay, back to salad. Ma'am, avocado sirum pamnaba natro at idea am pame. Yumdadi pak chaba phangakte. Aina likpagiraga yiro idi khangde to khatange na khalle. Final touch ni karino habada. Let's mix it all together. Ma'am salad tilore do next kaino chicken wings. Chicken wings hapchal yarani ready to oreko phazardra. Avocado and coriander sauce. Fried rice with salad and chicken wings are ready. Ma'am plate is served to zare charasilao, and I'm gonna end my day with a cup of coffee. I really hope that you all enjoy my video and hoping to see you guys again. Bye bye.